Ever wondered what powered the Apollo moon landing? Hint, it wasn't the rocket fuel alone, it was Fortran. Join our course and learn the Fortran basics through Ansys UPFs. Those are the application programming interfaces that literally send people to the moon. Of course, no pressure though. You'll be just coding from your laptop, plus no spacesuit required. In my 15 years of industrial UPF development, I've seen plenty go wrong. Some of it even quite funny. In this course, I will share practical experiences, new insights and few stories to help you avoid the mistakes I've made. We'll go over the basics from linking Ansys UPFs to understanding Fortran for UPF development. Don't worry, if you are new to APDL, it is just a script tool, and you'll learn it by creating your own APDL commands in Ansys, impressing your colleagues or just confusing them with the jargon. This course is ideal for engineers developing UPFs and for students eager to dive into programming. Join our community and let's learn together. For us, simulation is more than just selling software. Start your UPF programming here. For us, you are the very important person with backstage access to the fun side of UPFs. In a world full of new topics, it's hard to choose just one. Why not try our 90 minutes first module for free with no commitment? It is like sampling before deciding on the main dish.